Hi everyone, welcome to Puskinto Bright. Today's topic is 15 life lessons you learn at the end of your lifetime. The intention of this video is to make you learn those life lessons which you can only realize at the end of your life. But if you keep these lessons in your mind and move forward in life, you could achieve a lot more than a normal person could in his lifetime. Lots of people regret in their 50s that they didn't know about this truth of life or just ignore these lessons which everyone should learn while they still have time. So let's begin the lesson number 1. Nobody is perfect in this world. Everyone in this world have at least one physical or mental disability, such as some people can't run fast, some can't lift weight, some can't remember what they read, and some are unhealthy, and many more. Do you know anybody who does not have single disability? Lots of people waste their life by thinking a reason why they can't do anything in life, but some people rise in life in spite of those disabilities. Disability is of course given by God, but the boundary is created in man's heart. The bigger the boundary you create for yourself, higher you rise in life. Number 2. Start living in present. Past and future both are imaginary. When your desire can't be fulfilled today, then you begin to think that your wishes will be fulfilled in future. But life is neither in future nor in past. Life is just the moment you are now. Everyone knows this truth deep down in their heart, but also they keep on living either in past memory or in future imagination, and in a blink of an eye you reach in the end of life. So start to live in the moment. The action you make now is the only real thing that can give you result you desired. I will tell you one of my favorite Chinese proverbs. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. Number 3. Future is unpredictable. Don't expect it to go as planned. When we want to get successful in life, we make plan, but when that plan does not work, we start to procrastinate and begin to doubt our self-esteem. But while climbing a mountain, does everything you plan from base takes you to the peak? No, you have to change your plan and face with other unpredicted problems. Only person who can reach to the peak are those who don't give up and take each situation as learning. So if you want to be successful one day, then don't expect to go everything as planned, because when it does not go according to plan, then that is the chance for you to actually grow and change in life and learn new things that will make you a different person in future. Number 4. Forgiveness to others is actually a gift to you. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself to be at peace, to be happy, and to be able to sleep at night. You forgive not because you are weak, but because you are strong enough to realize that only by giving up on resentment will make you happy. You realize late in life that the act of forgiveness is actually a trait of a strong person, because taking revenge and hating someone for life is the easy things that can be done by any person walking in this world. But the act of forgiveness is only the trait of those special person. We all know the fact of life that a man who desires revenge should dig 2 graves. Number 5. Life is all about the journey and less about the destination. A lot of time we get so focused on our big dreams and goals that we forget to enjoy small things in life. Always remember that life is all about this moment. Life is all about the journey and less about the destination. People make a wish that they are going to enjoy life after they achieve something, but the desire of achievement is like day and night. When one is finished, another arises. So never be that person who does not have some moment for their loved one, who does not have time to sing and dance sometimes, who does not take some time for their children and wife. After you achieve your dream life, you might get everything you wished for, but that phase of life where you should have done those small things are gone. So try to take out some time for yourself and your family from your busy schedule to enjoy little things in life, because life is about those little things you do with your family and children while you still have time. Number 6. Everything is temporary. We could never understand one thing in life, that we are temporary in this universe. We are here for the limited time, so as our family, relatives and friends. The family dog is temporary, your relationship are temporary, the item you buy are temporary, and nothing really lasts. It's one of those things you can only fully understand when you have already begun to see it happening in your life. We all want to live forever, so we all feel like an eternal universe, and we forget the value of our parents and loved one who is there for us in our happiness and sorrow. So always be humble and show gratitude towards life and people around you, because this universe itself might not be here forever, neither we are going to. Number 7. Fear of embarrassment or criticism stopped you from being who you really are. You get a life for only once, so you might as well go for it. The main reason most people fail at anything in life is because they don't even give it a go. We all find excuses or try to shield our perceived image from what other people might think of us. But in the end, they don't matter. It's a choice you have to make yourself. Who do you want to be? Will you be yourself, or will you be someone who other people are expecting you to be? There is one beautiful quote about it: be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind does not matter and those who matter does not mind. So these are the 7 life lessons we ignore to see while we have time to do something about it and regret later in life. Life is short to make the same mistake which is already done by others. Let's try to learn from above lesson and make our life little better than yesterday. If you like this video, share with your friends and loved one. And if you are new to this channel, hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time with another amazing video. Keep watching Puskinto Bright.